The proper way for changing a battery on a GE wireless smoke detector: take the smoke detector off its base by turning it a quarter turn. Once the detector is down off the ceiling, slide the battery cover off. With the battery cover off, pull the string to release the batteries. Once the batteries have been removed, turn the unit over, press the test button and hold it for approximately 15 seconds. By doing that, that'll eliminate your low battery report on your keypad. Once you've done that, turn the unit back over, take your batteries, place them back in the unit, positive positive, negative negative. With the batteries in the proper place, take your battery cover back on, let it snap in, take your device with the marking on the side of the unit, it will line up with the arrow of the base. Once it's on that arrow, give it a quarter turn and it will be locked down, and that will be your problem solved.